So many people now ask me, is there any activities in our daily living which we do every day which can assess most of the brain functions? So I also thought about this and I came up with 2 activities which involve most of the brain functions. One is cooking and one is driving. ಬೇರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, for me and I could come up with these 2 where most of the brain functions are used. ಈಗ when now coming to cooking, not just I could prepare Maggi or I can prepare rice, not like that. If you are able to prepare a meal, that means 2-3 items, you have to plan, you have to prepare the items, you have to get the raw materials, you have to prepare them, and you need to know the timings, when to do what, and finally at the end everything has to be is a time bound, so everything has to be ready by some time. So if you are able to manage this without any changes in the taste and properly, then more or less the brain functions are very much intact. Second is driving. Driving means does not mean at 3 a.m. when nobody is there I could drive for 10 meters to 20 meters. Driving means from starting to end point, if you are able to completely drive properly without any problem and able to park properly and able to fill up the petrol or diesel, then I think most of the brain functions are used and it can be assessed.